Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Now, before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my uploads. And here we go. You can pick 11 musical legends to be brought back from the dead, but you'll have to kill 11 celebrities that are living. Fine, celebrities nowadays suck, in my opinion. So, yes, I would. Hello, Freddie Mercury. Ha! 68% of people press the button. You can have infinite wishes. They have a 50% chance of being the opposite of what you ask, but 2 times the amount of wishes people die per wish. No. The only wish I need are the ones I create from my awesomeness. Whoa! 63% of people didn't press the button. You can turn invisible, but when you turn invisible, people can see your underwear. Oh shit, I meant to press the button. 24% people didn't press. I would have pressed because who cares? I'd show everyone my underwear if I could. I really don't care. You can kill anyone you want, but they will come back to haunt you at every moment of every day. No. Sorry. No. How about I'll just wish they were dead, but I won't do it, and then someone else can be haunted. 71% of people didn't press. Majority. You gain the ability to see the future, but you lose the ability to remember the past. That's a lose-lose situation for me. I mean, part of the joy of life for me is not being able to see the future, and I have to remember my past mistakes and other people's past mistakes so that I don't make them again. So, no. Woohoo! 69% of people didn't press. Okay, we're on a roll. You will never die from natural causes, but you age like a normal person. Yeah. Because I don't want cancer or something, and if I'm like 130 and I look 130, I can always off myself, but I don't want. Everyone you love and hold dear will have everything they need and want forever, but you will die within a year. No. I know that's selfish, but I want to see the joy on the people's faces. Minority, 46%. You live forever. You can't become famous, can't become rich, and can only live average, boring life. But I don't get this question. But you have an average lifespan, billionaire, famous for something great. Let's just see. Minority, slight minority, 48%. Sorry. All cancer is removed from the world. Pizza is also removed from the world. While it's another lose-lose situation, because if all cancer is removed from the world would be overpopulated, and then we'd have even more problems than we have now. And pizza is fabulous. So, no. Of course, people are short-sighted. They only see the short term, and they only think of the people closest to them and the short term. So, shut up, son. Come on. Free food every day, whenever and whatever you want, but you can never lose weight. No? Ha! 58%. You will be able to apply cartoon physics at will, but all cartoon-related injuries can harm you, while all cartoon-related injuries aren't things that normally happen. And all cartoon-related injuries would harm anyone anyway. So I will not. 46% didn't press. Okay, one more. You will be the smartest person in the world, but you cannot feel any type of emotion. Yeah. Sherlock. Obviously. Oh my god, I can't believe that show's done now. But anyway, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. On August 31st, it will be the last day of my summer schedule. Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, LiveJournal, Skyrock, and Reddit are all in the description. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.